My name is JEE Aditya and I've been studying in Narayana since class 8. I have secured a 100 percentile in the postponed April session of JEE Main 2021 and I've also secured a 100 percentile in JEE Main March session 2021 and also in the BArc session of February 2021. For all this, I would really credit Narayana and of course my parents and the teachers in my school and also myself because I've written the exam and for my success. Narayana system has been excellent since the day I've joined them. The way they filter out people, the way they conduct exams is really excellent. They make sure that right knowledge goes to the correct people. But when the lockdown was announced this year in April, there was some panic in the students because the exam got postponed indefinitely in April and we were actually a bit worried. I'm really very thankful to Narayana system in this context because they have really made sure that nobody gets panicked in that situation. They have conducted online classes very well. They didn't take a single leave apart from public holidays. So we were given the right preparation. We never felt like they prepared us in such a way that we would be able to write the exam anytime if it would be conducted in this year. So they also conduct many exams so that we don't lose touch of the concepts, so that whenever the exam is held, we are ready with our preparation. So this is the way in which Narayana has helped us in the lockdown. Also, an online platform nLearn is developed so that we can get familiarized with the computer-based test mode. That is the mode in which most of the exams in India are held at present. We can also view our analysis in that. We can go through our errors in that and so that we can rectify them again and we don't make the same mistakes. That's a really good thing which we should be grateful to Narayana for giving us such a facility to check our errors and check the solutions also. So lastly, I would end by saying that this success couldn't have come if Narayana didn't help me or wasn't with me in this journey. And I would end by saying that I am aspiring a top 10 rank in JEE Advanced exam, which is going to be held on October 3rd this year. And I also aspire to pursue CSE from IIT Bombay.